Pinterest is one of the most underrated ways to drive free traffic to your online store, especially if you're in e-commerce, home, fashion, or beauty. Start by creating a Pinterest business account so you can track clicks and impressions. Then design vertical pins in Canva. Use clear product images, bold headlines like 5 must-have skincare tools or cozy decor ideas, and always link to a or a collection page on your site. Next, post consistently, batch create 10 to 15 pins at once, and use Pinterest schedule or a tail event to trip them out. Keywords matter, so add them in your pin title, description, and even your board names. Pinterest is a search engine, not just a social media platform. The best part is pins live for months. One good pin can keep sending clicks to your store without paying a dollar in ads. If you want free Canva templates or a full Pinterest strategy checklist, like and subscribe. And comment really what kind of products you sell. I'll tailor it for your niche. And if you got any questions as well, just drop them. Go ahead and like in the comment section below, and I will go ahead and make a video uh, about that particular topic.